To check for good faith violations on Webull, start by logging into your Webull account. Once you are in, navigate to the Account section. Look for the tab labeled Account or Settings. Here, you will find options related to your trading activities and account status. Next, you want to access your trade history or order status. This section will show you the details of your recent trades. Pay attention to any trades that have been executed and then sold within a short period, typically within the same trading day. These trades will help you identify if you have potentially violated good faith rules. If you notice that you have sold a security that you bought and sold within a short time frame without owning it for a full day, that could be a good faith violation. Be sure to take notes on the specific trades that might raise concerns to address later. You can also contact Webull's customer support for clarification or assistance. Finally, to avoid future violations, consider holding on to your purchased securities for at least one full day. This practice will help ensure compliance with the rules regarding good faith violations. Always stay updated on Webull's policies, as they can provide insights on best trading practices and how to manage your account effectively.